This home is located in the heart of Old Milford. Sears Kit Home. Let's do a quick walkthrough. So this is the entryway. This home is a 1929 Barrington Sears home. Here's the living room, walking into the formal dining room. Updated windows. This is the breakfast area. Walks out to the deck. What a great flow to the beautiful fenced-in backyard. We have a kitchen updated with 42-inch cabinets. First floor, full bath. Lovely tile work. Just gorgeous, lots of natural light. The original character of this house just shines. Let's again just preview the entryway coming from the living room. Beautiful stairwell. It's wide for the age of this home. Beautiful gleaming hardwood floors. We have a bedroom here. Look at this little princess closet. How gorgeous is that? We'll go up to the third floor, which is considered a bedroom. To access this third floor bedroom, you do have to cut through another space, which could be used as a fourth bedroom if you don't mind cut through. Let's continue on. So there are the steps. We have a full bathroom upstairs. Super cute. This is the master bedroom. Again, we're in the heart of Old Milford, guys. You have access to the bike trail, breweries, distilleries, restaurants, eateries. Everything is really, really close. A walkable neighborhood. Little Miami River. So if you like to kayak, canoe, everything is at your fingertips. Again, this house is situated in Old Milford.